Okay, so evidently, you can hear the excitement. These almond trees are, holy smoke, they are blooming. So these are the almond trees. Little guys here, wow, look at that. And we planted these right here in the front of the house, of the farmhouse, because they were gonna be so pretty here. I had no idea that they would bloom this quickly though. It's been warm. Yesterday was a very nice day. Look at that. Really nice. You could see these other little buds breaking out. And this is, let's see what kind of almond. That's an annual, AZ. Does it say the type? I've forgotten what type of almond it is, but thank you, Stark Brothers. We'll be sure to credit you for a lovely, healthy almond tree. One here and then one on the other side of the sidewalk. Spring is upon us here shortly at the Dusty Saddle. You got one on that side of the driveway, or the sidewalk, and one right over there. I can hear a mourning dove in the background. So it's, yeah, very nice. Be exciting the bigger this gets. Prettier it will be. Hall's Hardy. The Hall's Hardy almond tree.